different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap, you know, the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play you right around, talk to me. Oh, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap, you know, the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play you right around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. You see in me, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap, you know, the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play you right around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. You see in me, gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. Right around the slap, you know, the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, play you right around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me.
Much again for tuning into this video. So here's my final look. Again, I did get this wig from Love Me Hair. This is the T227 color. Forgot the name of the wig, but no worries, you guys. Everything that I'm wearing, including my makeup and this dress that I got from Rainbows, by the way, for $9, will be included in the description below, so you guys can search it if you're interested in, you know, what I have on or have on my head or whatever else. But yeah, I really like this wig. It's really fun. I love the color, perfect for summertime. It's springtime where I'm currently residing. We've been getting a lot of rain, but definitely a lot of sun. So can't wait to leave the house with this style. I love the bouncy curls, like little bouncy curls. I was definitely trying to step out my comfort zone again with blonde because it's definitely been a while since I've worn this color. But enough of that. Anyways, you guys, I said I was going to make this video short. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I really appreciate you guys for supporting my small channel. It means a lot to me. Again, it's your girl, Chanel Renee. You guys make sure you stay tuned because I will definitely be uploading more content. And you guys stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay confident, and always continue to love yourselves. You guys take care and have a great day.